Today, we're diving into the wild and captivating life of the legendary Apache leader, Geronimo. So grab your popcorn and get ready for a roller coaster ride through the untamed American frontier. Born in June 1829 in Nodoyan Canyon, Mexico, Geronimo was more than just a skilled hunter. Legend has it that as a young boy, he swallowed the heart of his first kill for a lifetime of hunting success. Talk about starting with a bang. Now picture this. Geronimo belonged to the Beroncohe, the smallest band within the Chiricahua tribe. Surrounded by enemies, life on the run was his reality, but that didn't stop Geronimo. By the age of 17, he led 4 successful raiding operations. But life took a tragic turn when Geronimo's camp was attacked, leading to the death of his mother, wife, and children. Devastated, he sought solace in the wilderness. Legend has it that a mysterious voice promised him protection, leading Geronimo to embark on a decade-long quest for revenge against the Mexican government. As the 1850s rolled in, the face of Geronimo's enemies changed with the United States taking over Apache lands. Tensions soared, leading to brutal ambushes on stagecoaches and wagon trains. But Geronimo's father-in-law, Cochise, saw a different future, leading to a reservation agreement that didn't last. Geronimo proved elusive, outsmarting American troops and becoming the subject of newspaper headlines. Nearly a quarter of the army pursued him, turning him into a legend. But in 1886, after years on the run, he surrendered, marking the end of the Indian Wars. Geronimo and his people faced 27 years as prisoners of war, bouncing between prisons in Florida, Alabama, and Fort Sill in Oklahoma. Despite captivity, Geronimo gained celebrity status, publishing his autobiography and meeting President Theodore Roosevelt. Thanks for tuning in to discover intriguing facts from history. We hope you enjoyed this journey through history. But hey, before you go, make sure to stay with us for more fascinating insights. Join us on Fresburg Cartoon for another exciting fact-filled adventure.